Okay, what's up, y'all? This Mel again. Sorry I made a video in a long time. Here go another tutorial on how to use two pair of headphones for one PC without using a virtual cable setup. Okay, you know what you want to do. You want to go to your sound bar, right click that, and go to sounds. You want to go to your playback devices. Okay, whatever pair of headphones or whatever you want your sound to come out of, you're gonna set that as your default on this page. Okay, right now, I'm using my Bluetooth Blackwebs. Your speakers is gonna be like basically your rear input, and you know your headphone, the one that got the little headphone icon on it, that's on your PC. Those are actually your speakers too. It's more like just speakers for your head. It's the headphones, but the ones in the back is the ones you can use headphones for that part too. But those is more for like real speakers, like sound to come out and like loud sound. Okay, so what you want to do? For me, my headphones, like I said, the Blackwebs right here. And what I did was I set these at my default. What you want to do is click apply and just go to your recording tab. Okay, then what you want to do is use stereo mix. This is what's going to enable your multi headphone setup thing. So what you want to do is set this as your default devices. Check that as your default device, and after you do that, you want to click apply, and then you want to click OK. Okay, and when you plug up two pair of headphones, for the front and the back, both of them should have sounds coming out of it. That's what your stereo mix is for. It comes with Windows 10. If you don't see that, just try to enable disconnected devices, or right click and on that page and enable default devices or whatever, or unseen disconnect. You know, you'll see it. So once you hook up two pair of headphones to the front part and the back part, you should hear sound that come out both of those. So what you can do, you can use them two headphones for you and another friend in case y'all want to play the game. Like if you having an Xbox One controller, y'all both can hook headphones up to your controllers and listen if y'all playing the game. But if you want to watch YouTube, if you want to watch a movie, hook headphones up to the PC and just do everything I just showed you, and you should be good. And if you like this video, just leave me a like, subscribe to my channel, help me build up my own channel. Subscribe, like, share. You can follow me on Facebook. I'm on Instagram on his Mel Shaw on Facebook. Might change it, but whatever you see on YouTube, see me doing on YouTube basically. I should have the links to them other websites, to those social medias. So if it helps you out, just leave me a comment. If you got a problem with anything, if you're confused about anything, just let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys. A lot of people don't respond to their comments when it comes down to help, when it comes to tutorials. I just had to just happened to run across a video that helped me, so I wanted to make a video for you guys, so you guys can put this out there, so I can put this out there, and you guys can get to using two pair of headphones on one PC. Okay, all right, thank you, and I'm out.